Cool, man. What's up?
We won't even park at that.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing in TV land, DY TV land? Hope everything's safe and well with you guys. Today I'm at Asda, as you can see, and we're gonna do some shopping. It's Black Friday week, so you know, hopefully I get some stuff on the low. We're gonna take a look at the market. I'm kind of late today. Everybody's packing up right now. I'm gonna still show you a little thing of what's going on in the market outside of Asda. Yeah, catch you later. Peace. So yeah, guys, guess what? I ain't get no joggers, but I'm on my way to another spot with a lady inside who working, say I could get some, so I'll go and check it out. So right now we in winter time, everything inside change up, so they only got winter clothes now, so we're going by another place and check out and see if I get some joggers. Alright, peace, see you later. Yeah, guys, so guess what? Great news. I get you with my joggers. I got a black one, I got a dark green one, and I got a gray one. Boom, shout out to Asda. See them right over here, look. And now you're over here, check them out. Right now, we head into a pub. Big up this partner right here. What's going on? Everything safe?
Everything blessed.
We're going to have fun, drink some beer, and relax. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, check. sell beer here? I want to try something I never drank before. Show me your name. Nah, I never had Stella. Let me try Stella.
Now, I'm yellow and you're blue, so if I put that in.